Time is spent, and you repent, I'll prevent an accident. You were sure I was cheese, but stop eating away at me, please. Repent to fix us together. Repent to fix us together.